In this guide, we'll walk you through 2 different ways to restore your iPhone from an iTunes backup. Part 1. How to restore iPhone from iTunes backup. If you've used iTunes to back up your iPhone in the past, restoring that backup is simple. However, be aware that this process will erase all current data on the device and replace it with what's stored in the backup. Step 1. Install the latest iTunes on your computer. Step 2. Connect your iPhone via a USB cable and launch iTunes. Step 3. Trust the computer on your iPhone if prompted. Step 4. Click the device icon at the top left in iTunes. Step 5. Under the Summary section, click Restore Backup. Step 6. Choose the relevant backup file based on date and size. Step 7. Click Restore and wait for the process to complete. Step 8. Your iPhone will reboot automatically once the restoration finishes. Part 2. How to restore iPhone from iTunes without losing data. If you don't want to lose the data on your current iPhone, or if you only wish to recover specific important information such as contacts, messages, photos, etc., you can use third-party tools like Coolmuster iPhone Data Recovery. It is a professional iPhone data recovery tool that can allow you to selectively restore data from an iTunes backup without overwriting the existing content on the device. Step 1. After installing the program on your computer, launch it and select the Recover from iTunes Backup File option from the left corner of the screen. The program will automatically detect the iTunes backup location on your PC. Choose the desired backup file from the list and click on the Start Scan button. Step 2. Select the types of data you wish to recover and click the Start Scan button on the right side of the screen. Step 3. Click on a category, then choose the specific deleted files you want to restore. To retrieve your files from the iTunes backup, click the Recover to Computer button, and your iTunes backup will be restored.